How to get $120 Costco promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you will find the search box. Type in Costco promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you working promo codes for Costco. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. You can just scroll down and check 30% off, 10% off, 70% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just click on see details. For some offers, no coupon required. So you can just click on continue to this offer. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Costco. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, the promo code will be automatically applied to your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Costco. Well, this is how you can get up to $120 Costco promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.